Roofing warranties are important because they protect your investment. Sadly, there's some things that homeowners do that void their chances of ever getting one, and that is the last thing that you want. In this video, we're going to be going over the two types of roofing warranties and also what voids those warranties. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get into it. The two types of warranties. The first type of warranty is a workmanship warranty. A workmanship warranty covers the craftsmanship of the crew that's installing your roof. The length of these warranties varies from 2 to 5, 10, 25 years, or even some contractors have a lifetime warranty. A reputable roofing contractor is going to provide at least a 10-year warranty on their workmanship. You don't get a 10-year warranty on your workmanship, then you might want to go with someone else. The second type of roofing warranty is the material warranty. Material warranty covers the materials and components against manufacturer's defects. Most shingles come with a 30-year prorated warranty out of the wrapper, but there is available a 50-year non-prorated warranty. Now, most natural materials like slate, cedar shake, and tile do not have that type of material warranty because they're natural products. Things that void a roofing warranty. Improper installation. If the materials and components aren't installed properly, you're going to void the manufacturer's warranty. Getting them installed properly by a trusted roofing company is vital. If they're not installed properly, manufacturer's not going to stand behind it. And also, it could void an insurance claim. Inadequate attic ventilation. Proper attic ventilation allows your home and your roof to breathe properly. Without it, you shorten the lifespan of your roof. This also voids the roofing material warranty. Getting roof work done by a different roofing contractor or a general contractor. If you go through another contractor, you void the original workmanship warranty from when the roof was originally installed. A contractor won't stand behind their work if someone else works on it. If you get roof work done or additions, it doesn't necessarily mean that you void the entire warranty, just only on that specific area that another roofing contractor has worked on. Do-it-yourself roof work. Sometimes when a homeowner tries to fix their own roof leak and the repair fails, they try to fall back on the workmanship warranty, which was voided by what they did to the roof. So if you have a workmanship warranty, call the contractor that did the work if there's a repair needed. Pressure washing your roof. As a roof ages, it develops algae streaks. For some, it's a big deal. For others, it's not. Some homeowners take it into their own hands and try to pressure wash their own roof. By doing this, it voids both warranties. Thanks for watching. If you don't want to find yourself in one of these type of situations, watch our video on how to hire a reputable roofing contractor. If you're in the Nashville area, look us up at billraganroofing.com. Remember to like and subscribe so other homeowners and professionals like yourself can get the content they need to make that wise decision. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.